Meow.
What does a rooster say?
Duck, duck, meow.
What does a lion say?
Do, wa, nine.
What does a tiger say? Meow.
Ask him a dinosaur.
Meow.
What does a dinosaur say?
What's a dinosaur say, Alex?
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, Grandma, your mom's taking your picture. Tell her what the turkey says.
Go, do.
Gobble, gobble, gobble.
Go, gobble.
What's a cow say?
Meow.
What's a horsey say? What's a duck say?
Quack, quack.
What does a dog say?
Oop.
What did kitty say?
Meow.
What does turkey say?
Look, go.
Gobble, 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 gobble.
Gobble, gobble.
Who's gotcha?
Grandma,
Your grandpa?
grandma.
Yeah, grandpa.
Are you going to have a happy birthday? How old are you going to be, Alex? How old?
You can have some mashed potatoes
Say two.
and Coke.
You.
Show me your fingers. How many is two? How many is two?
Walk. Walk.
Yeah. 1, 2.
Mario.
3, 4.
Bibo.
5, 6.
Rice.
What's the duck say?
Eyes.
Where's your eyes?
Eyes.
Where's your eyes?
And there.
Where's your nose?
And there.
Where's your toothins?
And there.
Are they in your mouth?
Where's your tongue?
There.
There it is.
Where's your ears? Where's your hair?
Where's Grandpa's hair?
What happened to Grandpa's hair?
Mhm.
There it is.